Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about science, textbook of science class 10. Now, due to coronavirus, the CBSE board has omitted many of the topics and many of the chapters from standard 10 science, and still the students are in confusion that what to do and what not to do. So let me clear all your doubts today. So first of all, I welcome you all to our online SGTN channel. Chapter 1, tick mark. Chapter 2, I put a tick mark. Same with chapter 5, with chapter 6, with chapter 8, with chapter 10, chapter 12, and here is chapter 15. Students, ये जो chapters हैं जिसके ऊपर मैंने tick mark किए हैं, these are the chapters where nothing is omitted. I repeat, nothing is omitted. You have to do full chapter. Chapter 1, chemical reactions. Chapter 2, acid-base salt, periodic classification, life process, how do organisms reproduce, light, electricity, our environment. No topic at all is omitted from this. Chapter 16, sustainable management of natural resources. Now this chapter is only for internal assessment. It means that the school may ask you questions for internal assessment, may ask. And if it is asked, then this chapter is also full. So the tick mark chapters, ये वो chapters हैं students जो आपको full करने हैं. Nothing is omitted. Now the remaining chapters, chapter 3, 4 and all, let's go inside the textbook and I will tell you about each and every topic, what you have to do and what not. First, let's come to chapter number 3, students. Now, chapter 3, metals and non-metals. Physical properties you have to do. Then we come to non-metals. Physical properties you have to do. Chemical properties you have to do. Of non-metals also. What happens when metals react with water? ये सारे chemical properties हैं, you have to do. Clear? Reactivity series you have to do. How do metals and non-metal react? This is called formation of ionic compound. This you have to do. Properties of ionic compound is also to be done. Now, this from this topic, occurrence of metal. ये सारे topics अभी CBSE ने omit कर दिए हैं for this year 2021 के exams के लिए. So occurrence of metals के बाद ये सारे topics are all omitted, and even corrosion. Refining of metals, extracting metals towards top of reactivity series, this is all omitted. It means that from page number 49, occurrence of metals, till the end of the chapter, that is 54, all these pages are omitted. Please come to chapter number 4. In chapter number 4, carbon and its compounds. अब students यहाँ मैं थोड़ा dissatisfied हूँ, reason मैं आपको बताता हूँ. First 2 pages you have to do completely. This is introduction and you will study about covalent bond. Then here you will study about covalent bond between different molecules, how different molecules of nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen are formed. Allotropes you have to do. Versatile nature of carbon, this topic is included. From here it's omitted. Now this is a topic which is omitted, but I request students that you should know, because this is going to be very important for standard 11th chemistry. This is the base of organic chemistry, but right now for this year it's been omitted. So because that is omitted, chain, branches, rings, this all topics are omitted. Homologous series you have to do. ये topic आपको करना है. Please put a tick mark here. This topic you have to do. Nomenclature you don't have to do, but I repeat, this is very important for organic chemistry of 11th and 12th standard. But anyways, for this year, CBSE has omitted it. Chemical properties, combustion, omit. Oxidation topic is omitted. Addition reaction, substitution reaction is omitted. Ethanol or ethanoic acid, you have to do chemical reactions, but you don't have to do properties and uses. I repeat, इन दोनों टॉपिक्स में इथेनॉल और इथेनोइक एसिड में सिर्फ प्रॉपर्टीज और यूजेस ओमिटेड है, केमिकल रिएक्शंस ओमिटेड नहीं है. Right? So this chemical reaction and this chemical reaction you have to do. This chemical reactions also you have to do. Soap and detergent is completely omitted. This is omitted. Soap, detergent. Chapter 5 periodic classification, ये chapter आपको full करना है. Coming to chapter 6, this chapter you have to do completely. Now chapter number 7, according to the omitted topics, almost the entire chapter 7 is omitted. ये पूरा चैप्टर आप लीव करके जा सकते हैं. हाँ, लेकिन मेरे मानिए तो ह्यूमन ब्रेन एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है जो आपको आना चाहिए. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द बोर्ड CBSE, entire chapter is omitted for this particular year. Chapter 8, that is reproduction, you have to do completely, full chapter. That's very important. Now chapter 9, heredity. In chapter 9, heredity, accumulation of variation, you have to do. Heredity, you have to do. This is about Mendel's experiment, about traits, you have to do. How traits are getting expressed, you have to do. सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन भी आपको अच्छी तरह करना है. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये चैप्टर आपको सिर्फ सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन तक करना है. इसके बाद बेसिक आइडिया ऑफ इवोल्यूशन, यहाँ से पूरा चैप्टर मीन्स फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 147, यहाँ से पूरा चैप्टर ओमिटेड है टिल पेज नंबर, वाओ यार ये तो ऐश है आपके लिए, टिल पेज नंबर 158 एवरीथिंग इज ओमिटेड. सुन के मजा आ गया ना. नाउ चैप्टर 9 लाइट, this chapter is to be done completely. Coming to chapter 11, that is human eye. In human eye and the wonderful world, human eye topic is omitted. Means this topic, human eye, you don't have to do. Human eye, you don't have to do. Right? And defects of vision, this topic is also omitted. Means myopia, presbyopia and hypermetropia. Hypermetropia, presbyopia omit. मायोपिया ऑल्सो ओमिट. और जो ह्यूमन आई है दिस इज ओमिट. रेस्ट यू हैव टू डू फुल चैप्टर. सो फ्रॉम रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ प्रिज्म टिल द एंड ये पूरा चैप्टर करना है. आई रिपीट, यू हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग. राइट? सो दिस इज अबाउट चैप्टर 11. चैप्टर 12, एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर, यू हैव टू डू कंप्लीटली, नथिंग इज ओमिटेड. चैप्टर 13, मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स, Oersted experiments you have to do. Then regarding magnetic field lines, this all experiments, right hand thumb rule, magnetic field in circular loop, solenoid, ये सारे topics आपको करने हैं. This experiment, activity 13.7, Fleming's left hand rule, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर भी करना है, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन भी करना है. अब क्या नहीं करना है, दिस ऑल इज देयर. सो टिल पेज नंबर 235 यू हैव टू डू फुल चैप्टर नंबर 13. अब क्या नहीं करना है, फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 236 इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर इज ओमिट, डोमेस्टिक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट इज ओमिट. राइट? सो पेज नंबर 236, 237 एंड 238 ये तीनों चैप्टर ओमिट है. चैप्टर 14 की बात करूँ, सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, तो स्टूडेंट्स ये चैप्टर कंप्लीटली ओमिटेड है. आई रिपीट, नथिंग विल कम फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर नंबर 14. एंड एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू बिफोर, चैप्टर 15 आर एनवायरमेंट यू हैव टू डू कंप्लीटली. और चैप्टर 16 जो है इट विल कम ओनली फॉर इंटरनल असेसमेंट. इन द फाइनल एग्जाम्स CBSE बोर्ड विल आस्क नथिंग फ्रॉम दिस. सो 3 ऐसे चैप्टर्स हैं from which CBSE board will ask nothing. 16 chapter, 14 chapter and 16 chapter, that is natural resources ka management, 14 chapter source of energy and 7 chapter control and coordination. So students, I hope that everything is very clear which topics are deleted from 2021 CBSE board exams. Right students, so I hope now all your doubts, all your confusions regarding what to prepare, what not to prepare for this year is clear. Right? So till then, if you are not subscribed our channel yet, please do it and do share with all your friends who still have these confusions. Till then, bye bye.